Hello friends, Happy New Year's. It is crazy. We are almost to the end of January, but we are starting to see that the market is normalizing. We are starting to see more showings on properties and properties going under contract faster. Most importantly, property values are still going up like we said they would. In December of 2021, the median sales price in King County was $749,000. In December 2022, it jumped up to $810,000, which is an 8% increase. And in Snohomish, December of 21, the median sales price was $635,000. Last month, it was $710,000, which is almost a 12% increase. And in Pierce County, the median sales price in 2021 for December was $489,000. Last month, it jumped up to $530,000, which is up 8.4%. Now, we are definitely seeing that rates are not scaring people as much as they were, since they are in the sixes now, which is way better than the sevens. That's what they were before. So it seems like some balance is starting to come back into the market. So if you're curious if making a move sounds right for you, please feel free to reach out to me. I will be happy to schedule a time to talk to you, and we can kind of strategize and see what your plan is.